Using the Bluepay QuickBooks module is extremely easy. To start, go to the Customers menu, select Bluepay, and click on Process Payment. First, you will choose how you would like to apply your payment. You can apply to customers' open invoices, apply to a specific invoice, create a new sales receipt, or apply to an existing sales receipt. In our example, we will apply it to a customer's open invoice. Next, select your customer. Once selected, all of the information from the QuickBooks customer record will pre-populate, including the total amount due for that customer. We're going to apply a partial payment of $800 in our case. Next, you can enter a description, which will be used on the email receipt. After that, you will select your method of payment. You can choose to pay by credit card, or you can choose to pay by ACH. In our case, we will pay with MasterCard. Enter your credit card number. You can also update any of the billing, shipping info, phone number, or email. If you would like to store this information for subsequent transactions, make sure this checkbox is clicked. By default, information will be stored in the customer vault for subsequent transactions. If you have made any changes to the customer information, you can choose to update your customer record in QuickBooks. Once done, click Process and Close to process this transaction and close this dialog box, or Process and New to process this transaction and run a new transaction. In our case, we will process and close. A message will pop up showing the status of the transaction. In our case, the transaction was successful. In the case of an unsuccessful transaction, you will remain on the dialog box, which will allow you to update your information and try again. Clicking OK will take you to the record that was created during the course of processing your transaction. In our case, we decided to apply this transaction to open invoices, so a customer payment record is open. You will see that the amount we applied is pre-populated, the payment method, the transaction ID, and QuickBooks will use its default algorithm to determine how to apply your payment to the invoices. You can make changes if necessary, and once done, click Save and Close. Thank you.